So guys, in this video I will show you how you can properly restore and backup your WhatsApp data. Although it is very easy, but I have seen many people they do not know how to restore and backup WhatsApp. So in this video I will show you how it is done, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new video. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your settings app and scroll down to the accounts section. As you can see here, open it, and guys, make sure you have attached the Gmail ID. As you can see here, I have attached. And guys, now open your WhatsApp application, and as you can see here, I have tons of chats, so I want to back up all the chats. So here you can see at the right top corner, here is a three dotted icon. So guys, click on it and now go to settings. Now guys, click on the chats and guys, open the chat backup option. Now guys, here in the Google account, you have to select your Gmail ID in which you want to backup your WhatsApp. So I have selected my Gmail ID. So as you can see, and now guys, by default WhatsApp backup all the images and all the messages. And guys, if you want to backup your videos, here as you can see, so you have to turn on this option. So as you can see, I want to backup my videos also, so I will turn on this option. Now my all videos, all messages and all the images will be backup in my Gmail ID. Now guys, here you have to click on this green button, the backup button. So guys, click on this button and it will backup all your WhatsApp data. And guys, it can take time, it depends on your amount of data. And guys, I am using the mobile data, so it is asking me if it's still I want to backup my data. So I want to backup my data, so hit on the backup button. So now it will backup my data. It can take time, depends how much data I am backing up. So guys, please wait. So my data has been backed up, and guys, now I will delete my WhatsApp and show you how will I restore all my data. So I am deleting my WhatsApp. So here on the app info, I am uninstalling it. So guys, please wait. And okay. Now guys, my WhatsApp has been uninstalled, and now I will show you how I will restore all my data. Now guys, open settings and make sure you have signed in with the same Gmail ID in which you backed up your WhatsApp data. As you can see, I backed up my WhatsApp data in the Gmail ID which starts with G, and I have signed in with the same Gmail ID. Otherwise you cannot restore your WhatsApp data. So guys, now I will install the WhatsApp from Play Store. So guys, please wait. So the WhatsApp has been installed. Now open it and click on the agree and continue button. Now guys, enter your number. And guys, click on OK. Now guys, you will receive a message, as you know, the verification message. And guys, now click on the continue button and click on allow all the permissions. And guys, please wait. And guys, if you have signed in with the same Gmail ID in which you backed up your WhatsApp data, so you will be seen this backup screen. As you can see here, backup found. So here I have to click on the restore button and it will restore all my WhatsApp data. So guys, please wait. So guys, as you can see, 2,54,096 messages restored. And now click on next button. Now give your name. And guys, wait. Now guys, here after the restore you will see this screen, so click on the daily button to daily backup your WhatsApp data, and guys select your Gmail ID, the same Gmail ID, and guys now click on the done button. And guys, as you can see here, my all the chats has been restored. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video. And guys, again, thanks for watching.